be able to participate in this year Bathau religious prayer and program. Regardless of their religions, their communities and their belongingness to any faith, to learn the good principles from the Bathau religion, not only to become a good students and success in their career, but also to be able to become a good individual and a human being, to be able to serve the community to which they belong. This year, because of the COVID situation, we had to follow the SOP and reduce the gathering for this very religious Bathau prayer and program. I wish that next year we are free from the COVID situations and is able to organize a grand Bathau prayer and a program. All of us, any religion, whether it is a Bathau or it is the Sanamahi in Manipur or Kahawai in Hawaii, all comes from the nature. So Bathau is also, I believe, one of the religion-based community which derive their philosophy, their thought for coexistence and harmony from the nature. When I was in Hawaii, the natives of the Hawaii, not the whites, the natives of the Hawaiian, they're very humble and they have very good physique, and they also have prayers praising the benefits that they get from the nature, both from the sky, from the soil and water and the plants and animals under the sea. This is what they told me when I asked what they are praying in the program. And similarly, in Manipur, the place from where I came, they also have the religions based in worshipping the natures and obtaining lessons from the natures, and the natures are always willing to provide blessings and support to any individual in the community who know the value of the natures in their life. So Bathau, in all, if you look at all the religions together and I try to see the genesis and deep roots of all the religions, somewhere or the other they are connected inside, underground, overground, under the sea. So let us all learn the good preachings from the Bathau and live together as social elements in harmony, supporting each other and also helping each other and also helping the students and the university community, so that we all progress together and we move forward, and we are able to show to the world that the battle of the Bodos are the things which need to be learned and which need to be practiced by all people all over the country and across the world. With these few words, as an inaugurator of this today's program, the responsibility that has been entrusted to me by the organizers of the Matha program, I declare this battle, this program. I inaugurate these battle programs and wish that we have a very peaceful, religious, and very solidarity battle program. And thank you, everyone.